In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move mail in Microsoft Outlook. If your inbox is getting crowded, moving emails to the right folder is a simple way to stay organized and make messages easier to find later. Outlook makes this process quick, and once you get used to it, it only takes a few seconds. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and go to your inbox or whichever mail folder currently contains the message you want to organize. Take a moment to locate the email you'd like to move. This could be a message you've already read, something you want to save for later, or an email that belongs in a specific project or category folder. Once you've found the email, right-click directly on the message. Right-clicking opens a shortcut menu with several options related to that email. This is a useful menu because it gives you quick access to common actions without needing to search through the top ribbon or toolbar. From that menu, click on Move. When you select Move, Outlook will display folder options where the email can be sent. This allows you to place the message into a more appropriate location, such as a custom folder, an archive folder, or another mailbox folder you use to keep your messages organized. After choosing Move, simply select the destination folder you want. As soon as you do, the email will be moved out of your current folder and placed into the one you selected. If you don't immediately see the message anymore, that usually means the move was successful. A helpful tip is to make sure you choose the correct folder before clicking, especially if you manage a large number of folders with similar names. Keeping your folders clearly labeled can make this much easier over time. Another thing to remember is that moving an email is different from deleting it. The message is still mahfouz in Outlook, just stored in a new location, so if you need it later, you can simply open that folder and find it there. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your inbox and keep your email workflow under control. With just a right click and a quick move command, you can sort messages more efficiently and reduce clutter throughout your mailbox. That's how to move mail in Microsoft Outlook.